Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an of an era Borussia Dortmund legend, how to get Marco Reus in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how I can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button and tap the end of era. As you can see, there are 4 players. One of the players is Marco Reus, central attacking midfielder with 90 OVR. You can tap again Marco Reus icon. So he got 95 OVR with a shooting, dribbling and passing as a main attributes here. And also he got a 6 traits: roulette, karate kick, this one very important, final shoot, flair, playmaker and outside foot shot. So I think it's miss one trait is injury prone. He got a lot of injury in real life. So to get this Marco Reus, all you have to do is fulfill the condition: one player with 93 plus OVR, then 92 plus OVR player, 2 players, and then the last one 90 plus player here, 2 players. So if you fulfill this condition, this exchange button will turn on and you can tap this exchange to claim Marco Reus to your club. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.